Good evening, everyone. I'm Pat Siebold. I'm a freeholder at large, and I would like to begin the presentations for the evening by honoring two remarkable teams. And by the way, both teams are from Livingston, and Livingston is my hometown. I've lived in Livingston since 1962. I'm proud to honor the three engineers and the Roborocks, two teams from the Livingston Robotics Club who competed in the 2016 Northern New Jersey First Lego League State Championship competition. As first-time participants in the competition, both teams were able to achieve tremendous success at the 2016 FLL. As a Livingston resident, as I stated, I am proud to recognize you for your hard work. At this time, I'm going to ask Coach Jay Slavin and Chandhara Maltinti of the three engineers and coaches Jeffrey Zheng and Jim Wang of the Roborocks to join me at the podium. If I pronounced your names incorrectly, I apologize. I should know better at announcing names because I taught for 30 years and I had many different names that I had to remember. I applaud both teams today for all of your achievements. Let me share a few highlights from the commendation. The Roborocks won the Core Values Award and the first place Robot Game Award and the 2016 Northern New Jersey FLL qualifying tournament, and was a participant of the 2016 Northern New Jersey FLL State Championship competition. The three engineers won the Champions Award and the first place Robot Game Award at the 2016 Northern New Jersey FLL Sparta qualifying tournament and the Judges Award at the 2016 North New Jersey FLL State Championship competition. Both teams designed, built, and programmed an autonomous robot to compete in the robot game, relating to the Animal Allies theme for the competition. The three engineers team created a solution to stop poachers from killing African rhinos by using a drone to provide tracking and communication to rangers. The Roborocks team created an innovative prototype called the Deer Off Dog that can be programmed to use lights and sounds to scare a deer away from the backyards. So this evening, it is my great pleasure to honor and congratulate the three engineers and the Roborocks for their dedication to expanding science, technology, engineering, and math, and more importantly, for reaching this level of success. May you continue to thrive and work hard to achieve excellence. Thank you very much. I'd like to first ask the Mayor of Livingston, who's joining us here tonight, Sean Klein, to please join us. And I would very much like you to speak.
Thank you, Pat. I would just say congratulations. I would echo Pat's comments. Fantastic inventions, and what better way to teach the children of Livingston creativity and the problem-solving skills needed when you're an engineer. So it's fantastic stuff.
Thank you, Sean. And who will accept this resolution? And the other one goes to
They match it?
Okay. mention?
Yes.
One for each. One for each, and why doesn't one for each speak? And then I'll have the proclamations.
So, thank you so much on behalf of the Livingston Robotics Club and the 3 engineers, Roborocks teams. We really want to thank you for this recognition. We worked, the kids worked really hard over the course of 3 months. They really, built a robot that was just mere Legos and toys that they play with on a regular basis, but they really built robots, autonomous, and use their engineering skills and their capabilities to their fullest. And what I always taught them throughout the course of the competition is that, what the decisions that you're making and some of the thought process that goes around it really the same process goes around building actual drones, actual robots that help humans and help others in real life. So while you're working on small projects, small tasks, see it in the big picture and see that your contributions and your knowledge that you're learning right now will really change the world in the future. So, I congratulate the teams on their achievements and thank the Freeholders for the recognition that you've been giving us. And thank you.
Just to echo Jay, thank you Freeholders, thank you Mayor. We really didn't expect this. And if we had known, we probably would have worked harder. Because Jay's team, 3 engineers are going to meet us at the state championship. Congratulations there. And yeah, so the kids work very hard. I think the one thing I really want to point out, which is like one of the central theme or the kind of principle of FIL is kids do a lot of work. And they really work really hard through the month, as Jay stated. And it's not just science, technology, STEM education, as the Freeholder mentioned. It's really teamwork and just working together and figuring things out. So I think that's really great education for the kids and as well, for the coaches as well. So it's fantastic, and thank you again. And also thank Livingston Robotics Clubs, who I don't see as represented here, but they've given us a lot of.
We have commendations.
Oh, that's great.
So if you will pull their names up, we can hand them to you.
Okay, yeah, I don't think he's here, but just to express our appreciation for the organization as well. Thank you.
Cool.
Logan Slavin from Team 3 Engineers. And the Rav, please come forward to accept your recognition. There were 3 engineers. One of the engineers unfortunately wasn't able to make it, but we're here representing them.
All right, so for Team Roborocks, we have Grant Joe. We have Hannah Shi. We have Isabel Gao. Kevin Zhang. Shining Wang. And Valentina Zhang.
Do you want to do separately or yeah, one and one? Yeah.
So we were supposed to create a robot to accomplish a certain amount of challenges on the mat, and I think we accomplished a lot. So this is our robot, and we designed it to be able to withstand almost anything on the board. So this is what it looks like. And now my team member will talk about our drone.
So our goal for our project presentation was to, so we figured out there was a problem that there was poaching, and we discovered that rhinos got poached a lot and they were nearly extinct. So we thought of a way to create, we created a drone, and here's a 3D model of it. And what the drone does is it uses a thermal camera to detect animals and poachers. So when it finds it, you can notify the drone station right away. And okay, and also the drones work in grids, like grids, yeah. So they can not be like going crazy, and like they can stay in one spot and monitor lots, like large areas at once. Okay.
Okay, so what makes our project very unique is we have a mesh network. A mesh network is many interconnected computers that send messages to one another. Our mesh network allows the drones to communicate with each other because in such a huge African savanna, there's not enough money or the technology to send the data quickly and through a quickly and through a big area of land. So a mesh network is very cheap, and it allows our drone to send messages quickly and efficiently, and that's really it.
Don't forget that. No, this. I don't want you to. Who's going to speak?
So our team Roborocks had a project, and as Team 3 engineers said, we had to solve a problem by innovatively inventing something that will help solve a problem between animals and humans. And we picked deer problems because many of us in our team have deer problems with like deer eating our plants. So we created this deer off dog, which scares deer away when deer come near it. And so Isabel is gonna talk about our deer off dog.
It has a sensor. If something comes close to it, then it will make barking noises and lights will like turn on, and then the deer will be scared away. And this is just our prototype, so we're still working on it.
So how we got our information was like that we had a field trip to Hartshorn Arboretum, and the director there, Teeter Whitman, taught us most of our information, and that deer were afraid of many things, and especially kids. And we got to chase away 3 deers in Mr. Teeter Whitman's arboretum, and some girl in the nearby neighborhood screamed, and the deer were scared away. So we learned a lot from that experience, and that deer were afraid of high-pitched noises, kids, and other noises.
Thank you so much. You all did such a wonderful job. Thank you for being here, and it was a real pleasure to honor you. Continue your fantastic work.